A freezer that is thawing out can be caused by several factors, including overpacking, issues with the evaporator coils, or incorrect thermostat settings. To fix these issues, it is essential to unpack unnecessary products and ensure the freezer section only has a sufficient amount of stored items. Items should be evenly dispersed near the middle area of the shelves to allow for proper air circulation. Additionally, the evaporator coils should be periodically cleaned to remove any dirt and restore the freezer's functionality. If the coils are covered with ice, the freezer should be unplugged and left off for some time to allow the ice to melt. In severe cases, the defrosting process may need to be repeated, leaving the freezer off for several days. Adjusting the thermostat settings to a lower temperature may also help resolve the issue. By following these steps, it is possible to fix a freezer that is thawing out and prevent further problems.